Master P was born Percy Robert Miller on April 29, 1970, in New Orleans, Louisiana. Miller's early life was quickly disrupted by divorce, so he was raised by a single father and experienced poverty alongside 4 siblings. He lived in the Calliope projects throughout his childhood. Memories of the challenges he faced in the projects eventually became catalyst for his artistic success. When he was 19, Miller married Sonia C. and had 9 children with her: Lil Romeo, Symphonique, Titania, Italy, Vino, Young V, Hersey, Mercy, and Inti. Lil Romeo, Symphonique, and Vino have worked in the entertainment industry. Miller is the founder, president, and CEO of Better Black Television and No Limit Records.
And it's about being committed to what you believe in. I tell people all the time, commitment is what gets you to your dreams and your goals. I'm a man of God. I believe in God, and I know that to be fruitful, you have to do something. So the Master P Masterclass is teaching this generation the mistakes that I made, the great things that I did, and I want to share that knowledge. You know, I feel like knowledge is more important than money.